in our home where love stood strong. Talino led with hands of firm. 3 young boys stood tall and strong. Reynaldo, Ronaldo, Rolando, his pride and concern. He spoke with weight, his gaze held tight. Discipline will guide your way, though hard at times in his heart's sight. Good men they'd be one day. Corazon with gentle grace, shy as morning mist so light. Teresa and Leza chase dreams that burn with shining bright. And Catherine walks her own sweet path. Simple joys her heart does keep, each one different yet connected fast in love that runs so deep. Talino and Teresa built our ground with love and care all around. From strict hands to gentle hearts we grew. Now each has a home of their own too. Our family tree stands tall and true, all because of what we learned from you. Years have passed, time moved ahead. Each child found their own life's call. Reynaldo leads with wisdom spread. Ronaldo stands strong through all. Rolando guides with steady hand. Corazon's kindness warms her space. Teresa and Leza's dreams expand. Catherine's peace lights up her place.